the division that the poet is bringing into focus. So something there is that doesn't love a wall. So what is the importance of this something? Something which is lurking in your heart. Okay, this something which comes in the first line of the poem, and also it will come in the last few lines of the poem. ಹೌದಾ, ಕೊನೆಗೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಹೋಲ್ ಪೋಯಮ್ 2 times. This something is there which is divine, which is inside your heart, that is not permitting to have walls between the hearts of people. And we have this conception that all the people of the world are brothers and sisters, and we have to have this universal brotherhood. And this poem is focusing that aim, that ideal, that platonic idea that one should have brotherly cooperative tendency of livelihood among each other, and you have to have good friendship. There should not be any wall. But when we see the modern world, we can see so many wars and so many quarrels, so many fights since so many years, because the World War First and Second happened due to this clash, because we want division among ourselves. We will be very happy to have the identity that I belong to only this nation, and the other person, he is also or she is also willing to have that identity that she or he belongs to that particular nation. They don't want to belong to the humanity. So here Robert Frost is focusing that you must be human first, and then all the other artificial barriers will follow next. If you are a good human being, if you have good relationship with each other, with the brothers and sisters of the world, then you can live peacefully and happily, and like that you can progress in the path of humanity, isn't it? That focuses the aim of this poem.